Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So y'all, it is day 10. We done made it to day 10 of double digits. We have 2 more days. Day 10. Wow. But anywho, so yeah, like as stated on my video, the products will be below in the description box. And yeah, y'all, I want to show y'all what medium to normal porosity hair looks like. She felt that her hair was dry, but I told her, I said, no, you've been doing a good job with your hair. I've been doing her hair since May, and she usually comes like once a month. So she's been coming to me since May, and you can tell her curls are still intact, still looking good. Of course, a few have dropped a little bit because of how often she get it straightened, but overall it still looks really good. Also, yeah, like cause in the previous salon appointment she had, she really suffered from, her hair was kind of extra dry that day, and I gave her tips and she listened to it. And you know, a stylist love that when the clients listen and take the homework and do what they gotta do. And I told her she felt that that she didn't do a good job in between time, you know, life, work, busy, all that. But I told her, I said, no, I could tell that you have been doing something. And we didn't even do a deep conditioner, y'all. Like, did we do a deep conditioner? Yeah, we did a deep conditioner, but like, y'all, I didn't have to try too hard to apply moisture in her hair. I said, girl, you did your thing. But yeah, this is basically, we don't get to see often what medium to normal porosity hair looks like, but this is what it looks like. It's like it feels like butter. That's the best way I can explain it, y'all. Medium to normal porosity hair feels like just butter, like the strands are smooth, like they in natural state, like all that good stuff. It's like, it's not too dry, it's not too over product. Like, it's not too much product, not too much moisture, it's just right. And yeah, like, see how smooth her strands are, and this is just blowout state. So yeah, like some people have it, it's just you don't get to see it often what that's supposed to look like. So I hope this helps y'all to kind of see the idea of, you know, taking care of your hair and getting that moisture in there, and just kind of adjusting your porosity and or whatever porosity you have, learning to adjust to it so you can get that illusion of having normal porosity, like that moisture, and knowing the rhythm, like really listening to your hair. Because I could tell you what to use all day, but at the end of the day, make sure you're listening to your hair, because you wear your head every day, so you'll be able to tell what, you know, your hair needs. So y'all, we are almost there. So y'all enjoy your bit. My bad, y'all. Enjoy the rest of the video, and Merry Christmas Eve. Alright, y'all.
Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us, I just want it to stop. Because I miss you so much, I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save my Because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby. Yeah. You're like the wind. You're like a butterfly. Need to be seen. You always need to fly. You always leave. You never tell me where. You need the wind, the wind. It always takes you there. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. But it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. You're like a dream. You're like a waterfall floating downstream. Once again I fall. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now. As long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. But it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. But it's okay now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. But it's okay as long as you're here. But it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me, baby. It's okay now. Here we go, put this miserable song on repeat. Cause you seem to forget how much you are hurting me. do what's right. You say you will, but then you don't. You just don't. You don't care, 'cause you don't take me seriously. What's there